Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Tuffknives Jeff Blovell Custom Oddity. And this is definitely an interesting looking knife. I say that about pretty much every Jeff Blovell custom that I pull because I don't know that I've seen two that are similar. They're all really unique in just the best way possible. Overall length on this guy is 7.625 inches. The blade length is 3.375 inches, and this is Chad Nichols Damascus. Really beautiful pattern on this one. Yeah, it's just gorgeous. So this is a frame lock with the thumb hole opener. And check this out, guys. Once you get it past that detent, oh, just completely drops shut. I'm going to show you again because it's just fantastic. Ready? Oh, drop shut. I love when I don't know, I love it when that happens. Now this is a really thick blade, so that definitely helps with the drop shut action, but you know, it's always fun to see when a knife is dialed in just so that, oh, it's perfectly drop shutty. Just love it. Anyway, let's get back to the knife, shall we? So the handles are 4.375 inches in length, and it is this wonderful unidirection carbon fiber. And it's just stunning when you catch it in the light. Yeah, it looks like a fine wood or something like that. Really, really enjoy that. You have a titanium frame for the lock side as well as the pocket clip. And the pocket clip has this nice, it looks like he's sanded it down and given it an anodization on the outward facing side. So that's a nice touch. And that's your profile view of the pocket clip. For tip up, right-handed carry only. Overall weight is 4.2 ounces, so the carbon fiber does keep it fairly light. There's a pocket clip for, or excuse me, that's not a pocket clip, that's a tactical clothesman for size comparison. Sorry guys, I've been doing a lot of these today. Anywho, there you have it. Check it out at bladehq.com. This is the Tuffknives Jeff Blovell Custom Oddity.